This is the Module 7 skills test on planetary characteristics, particularly terrestrial planetary characteristics. And notice first in this first image that you have 3 of the 4 terrestrial planets. Then you have this mystery planet, Planet Z. And down here are the characteristics of Planet Z. You're given the distance of the planet from the star. You're given the tilt as well as its rotation period. And in question 2, you're then asked, based on those, in question 1, you're asked, based on those characteristics, which properties is Planet Z likely to have? And notice that it says choose all that applies. That's one where you're going to choose multiple answers. In fact, one of the hints there is that you should have 3. You should choose 3 of the possible options as your answers. Then in question 2, again, based on what you chose in question 1, you are then asked to explain these various characteristics. And what's the driving force? What causes? What's the main cause? The single factor on the right that explains why the planet has that particular characteristic. And then finally, broadening things out, getting past Planet Z, we focus in question 3 on some various features among the terrestrial planets. Then you need to choose again what is the main process that results in that particular characteristic.